This video is on comparing and ordering rational numbers. So we talked about comparing and ordering integers. You always want to look to see if there's a positive and negative, but in this case they're both negative. And if you can't, if you have the number sense to tell by looking at it which one is greater, what I always recommend doing is lining them up on top of each other, because this one only has a number in the tenths, while this one has a number in the tenths and the hundreds. So to fill that, I'm going to go ahead and put a 0. So now my numbers are -4 and 50 hundredths and -4 and 49 hundredths. Well, if I think of that like owing money, would you rather owe $4.50 or $4.49? $4.49 because it's less money that I owe. So that's going to be the greater number. It's closer to 0. Same thing if I have to order them. I'm going to look, they're all 3 negative. What I would recommend is changing them all to fractions or decimals. It's always easier for me to change them all to decimals because I don't have to worry about the common denominator, but it's really up to you how you do it. 17 hundredths is written as 17 hundredths. And I know -7 and 13 twentieths, if I need to get that into the hundredths, it would be times 5. So 13 times 5. 65, so it's -7.65. So when I look at these, if they're all negative, the bigger it is, the smaller it actually is. So this looks to be the biggest number, that means it's the smallest, and that goes with the decimal, -7.78. I cross them off so I don't get confused. The next one would be -7.65, and finally, -7.17. Now I can go back and write them if they were not in fraction form. This one was -7 13 twentieths, and this one was -7 and 17 over 100.